I just thought I'd give everybody a little bit of an update. I'm just getting started. I came out here to do a few things and thought I'm going to clear this table before I go in tonight. All of this will be gone and it'll be just a table. Now, that may not seem like a lot to you folks, but to me, it will be a huge step forward. So, if your shop looks anything like mine, and I'm sure it doesn't, this shop has been let go for years while I worked. Take heart. If a 70-year-old man with the health problems that I have and the knees that I have, thank you, U.S. Army, and the hips I have, thank you, a life of construction, you can do it. Just take your time, stay focused, and don't let it get you down. Yes, I let it get like this. I had to. I was working 12, 16 hours a day. Retirement time came just in time for me. Here's a quick update. I tried, but my camera won't let me shoot it for very long. I was going to just shoot it and then make clips out of it, but I got to get a better camera. I'm just using my phone. This is where I'm at so far. And I didn't just take stuff and hide it around the shop. I actually cleared it, cleaned it, and put it where it needed to go. I have more things ready to go, so let me finish it up and wrap it up. She's going to be calling me to supper real soon.
Many hours later.
My goal today was to get this one table cleared off, and I feel very good about myself. I not only got the table cleared off, but I also got the side table that I use for my table saw when I'm ripping sheets goods. It supports the end so that I can actually use the saw by myself. And yes, it may not seem like much, but this was a mountain for this old man, because the items didn't just get moved around, they actually got put where they were supposed to be. So that was a win. But I had some distractions. My chop saw, I came over and saw the pile of sawdust, and so I had to vacuum it all up. And then I caught myself and said, no, you're not, this isn't what you're supposed to be doing. This is what you were supposed to be doing. And I did it, folks. I did it, folks. I said I was going to clear this today, and I did it. Can't wait to see what I get accomplished tomorrow. Bye.